Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Eva here and today I show you my next set of Purple Hearts Valentine's nails. I'm starting to think that maybe I'm using too much glitter. What do you think, guys? Is it even possible to use too much glitter? Well, anyway, I got my nail tips ready, this time in almond form. I love them a lot. And finally, I have some white nail tag. So the green nail tag is over. This is the gel polish I'm going to use, Milkshake from Neonail, and I'm applying a thin, even layer on all of the three nails. And as you can see, I mean, this is sped up already, but I'm not really trying, and the polish levels out so nicely, which is very important when you're working with white, because for some reason I find white gel polish always a bit difficult to apply. Not this one though. So I pop that into my lamp for 60 seconds and I do exactly the same with the other two tips. And these are some of the glitters I'm going to use today. They are all purple, all different. So I have some tiny hexagon pieces. I have these flakes with a purple to blue color shift, and the stars also purple to blue color shift. And they are from Fantasy Nails. And all I'm doing is I come in with my top coat, apply that on the nail, and then with an old nail art brush I pick up the flakes. Well, first I pick up some of the uncured top coat, so it's easier for me to pick up the flakes, and then I just apply them all in the tip area of the nail. And then I will come in with the tiny hexagon pieces and the stars. And yeah, I was just having fun with all the different shapes and kept applying until I was happy with how my tip looked. So I'm getting my stars ready and apply them as well. And you just have to be a bit careful because the top coat is not cured, so everything is a little bit slippery. And then I noticed this tiny piece is not a star, it's a super tiny butterfly. How did you get in there? Well, you deserve to be applied to my nail tip. So I applied that as well and picked out another star. Well, not much to say about that here. I'm just playing around with all my glitters. So once I'm happy with that, I pop the nail into my lamp and cure for 60 seconds. And here I'm already applying the second coat of top coat. And I focus especially on the tip area and kind of float it generously over the different glitter pieces. And then I just come in with more of the tiny hexagon pieces. Yeah. Maybe I went a bit cray-cray there with the glitter, but I just love a good glitter tip. It made me happy. So yeah, this is my second layer, and where we are, you can see the stars, the butterfly, the glitter pieces are sticking a bit out of the nail. So you need to float your top coat generously over, and in the end I even finish filed all of my nails to just have them smooth before I came in with my gel painting. I'm not sure if I recorded that, but here you can see how I float the top coat over the tip. And here on my nail palette I combined two purple shades, a darker and a lighter one, to get just the shade that I wanted. And I came in with a different glitter. That one on my palette is from Glitter Arty Nails. I did not show you the package, but I will leave you a link in the description box below. And then I grab my dotting tool and I just apply 3 little dots on the nail tip area, and then I'm loosely and carefully connecting them with the dotting tool as well. And I just go around and create my first little purple hearties. And actually it's already enough to connect the dots carefully in the middle with your dotting tool, and the heart already emerges. As I always say, you could use a toothpick as well, and I think for my next Valentine set I will use a toothpick just to show you how it goes. But here is where we are, and now I'm coming in with my Glitter Bells detailer brush, because it's such a fine tip on the brush, and by this it makes it possible for me to make the hearts a bit more pointy. So I'm just getting in there and I'm shaping and defining the hearts a little bit more. Yeah, and this is the result. Nice purple heart glitter tip. And on my other 2 nails I just do like an asymmetrical swoosh French tip, but you can see I'm going a bit lower on one side and I'm keeping the glitter a little bit higher on the other, and this is on purpose because I'm all a fan of these swooshy asymmetrical swooshes. I cure that, and then on the other tip I just do the same swoosh, only in the other direction, and I orientate myself on the first tip so I have them even. Yeah, and this is a very nice glitter from Glitter Arty. It's these sparkling micro shades. I think it's called Millie or Bonnie, but I will look it up for you, and I will give you the link in the description box. Then again, some stars, some hexes, and I cure that, and again create my hearts along the swoosh line, pointing in different directions. And yeah, you can see I was just having fun with the glitter and the hearts, and I think everything turned out quite nicely. Of course, I make the hearts pointy again with my detailer brush, and then I just come in and apply some dots to balance the nail, and the same on the glitter tip, and I think they are so cute. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section down below. This is my set. I hope you are excited for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is a great moment to play around with heart styles. So I hope you like that, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.